Unveiling the Secrets of Flavor Enhancer, a guide to English cuisine terms. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the delicious world of culinary terms, specifically the phrase, flavor enhancer. This topic isn't just about food. It's a journey into language, culture, and the art of cooking. So, let's get started and unravel the mysteries of this flavorful expression. Flavor enhancer refers to ingredients added to food to boost or enhance its existing flavors. These aren't necessarily primary ingredients but play a crucial role in making a dish more appealing and tasty. Common examples include monosodium glutamate, MSG, herbs, spices, and even salt. Understanding this term is not just about language but also about appreciating a vital aspect of culinary arts. While flavor enhancer is a term often found in cookbooks and restaurants, it's also used in everyday language to describe anything that makes something better or more enjoyable. For example, a person might say, "A good book is a flavor enhancer for a lazy Sunday afternoon." Here, it's used metaphorically to express how a book can improve the experience of relaxation. In different cultures, the concept of a flavor enhancer varies. For instance, in many Asian cuisines, MSG is a common flavor enhancer, while in Mediterranean cooking, herbs like oregano and basil play this role. This diversity reflects the rich tapestry of global culinary traditions and the way language adapts to describe these unique practices. Let's put theory into practice. Imagine you're cooking a simple vegetable soup. By adding a pinch of salt or a sprinkle of fresh herbs, you're using a flavor enhancer to transform the soup from bland to savory. This practical example shows how understanding and using this term can impact your everyday cooking and eating experiences. I hope this tasty exploration of the phrase, flavor enhancer, has been as enjoyable for you as it has been for me. Remember, language learning is not just about words. It's about understanding the context, culture, and usage that give those words meaning. So, keep experimenting with language and flavors in your culinary adventures. Happy learning and bon appétit!